just sanitized the crap out of this box. Unboxing is very different now with what's happening in the world, but I'm very excited that I got this in the mail today, and I thought I would do a first blush, brutally honest review, show you what the press mailer looked like, show you the shades, show you the texture and consistency, and then also show you how it wears for the day. So let's do it. This is the Sun Show Moisturizing Baked Bronzer. What is it all about? Let's find out. I really don't think there could be a better time for Kosas to release a bronzer, because I think I can pretty accurately say that we could all use a little bronze right now. No one's leaving the house, no one's getting any sun, or at least I'm not, and I feel like I'm at least a shade and a half lighter than I normally am. So I cannot wait to try this, and we are gonna experience this whole thing together. So this is the press mailer or influencer box, or whatever you wanna say. This is what they're gifting people to try the product. And that it is. It has a poster in it, which is super creative, and Kosas always comes in clutch with creative packaging that's super fun and pretty. So this is one side of the poster. Very nice. Looks like kind of a 70s vibe, and I love the name too. The Sun Show, kind of like the gun show. Very cute. And then on the flip side, it has all of the information about the product. So let me story time read it to you. So it says, what's in it? A clean, moisturizing bronzer baked with shea butter that's effortless, one-step sculpt, highlight, and color for your entire face. Sounds good. What else you'll need to know? This is a talc-free, silicone-free bronzer with the glow of a cream and the ease of a powder. Weightless feel, baked in Italy. It's developed to match your complexion tone, giving you that pop your skin would get in a pretty golden hour light. I'm all about that golden hour, so this sounds perfect. A warm glow without ever looking shiny or sparkly. Easiest bronze ever. You can't mess it up. Perfect for me because contour is not easy, so really excited to try this. How to use: sweep it on over tinted face oil or sweep it on over tinted face oil and revealer concealer for the perfect trio of Kosas complexion products. Use a big fluffy brush, and they have shades light, medium, and deep, and it's $34. You can get it at Sephora and Kosas.com. So $34 is a little bit spendy for a bronzer in my opinion. I think the other non-toxic ones I've been using are more in the 20s category. So let's see if it's worth it. Shades are light, medium, and deep. If you've ever used Kosas before and you know their shades for the tinted face oil and the revealer concealer, it's all matched based on those shades. So it says for light, it's the colors 1, 2, 3, 3.5, and 4. I'm personally a 4, so I would go for light. Medium is 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 7.5, and dark, it's 8, 8.2, 8.7, 9, 9.5, and 10. So my first qualm, of hopefully not many, because I really want to love this product since I'm such a big fan of tons of other Kosas products. I mean, the 10-second eyeshadow, I love the cream duos. Their products are just wonderful. The new revealer concealer is fantastic. It's my new favorite concealer. My first qualm is that there's no mirror, and for $34 you think maybe a mirror would be nice, but I have other Kosas products that have mirrors, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use my shade light and use the biggest, fluffiest brush I have, which isn't very big or fluffy, and I just did a little tap. A lot of powder came off. Ooh, okay. The color matching is really good. This shade looks natural, but just a shade darker than my normal skin tone. I might dip into the second shade, the medium shade, in the summer months when I'm a little bit tanner, but this shade right now is actually meshing really well with my skin. Okay, and the application is really seamless. It's blending really, really well onto my skin, and it's buildable. And leave it to Kosas to put shea butter in a bronzer. They always find a way to add in a skin boosting and benefiting ingredient into a makeup. So, I mean, so far as application goes, I really like it. This is really nice. I don't know if you can see a difference in the shade, but that just looks like my natural skin, just a little bit warmer. It isn't glittery, lays really nice and smooth. Let me give it a smell. I wonder if it smells. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything, which I'm not mad at. I really don't love a lot of fragrance, so no scent. I'm gonna give the application, I'm gonna give it a 9.5. I actually think that it's really good so far, and I'm gonna continue putting it on my face. I'm gonna try to do a little contour moment, and then you can take another look. Forget to do your chest. Seriously, such a dead giveaway. Ears, neck, jawline, chest, all things you don't want to forget when you're applying bronzer, because you don't want to look like your head is floating on a white pole. Do I look like I've been out in the world? Do I look like I've been hanging out with friends in the Los Angeles sun and just living my best life? Because I do kind of feel like it. I feel better. I feel like I look bronzer and more awake and alive, which is great. The one thing I will say is normally I'm more of a light medium or a medium, and this light is decently dark. So if you have really fair skin, I don't know if this is necessarily the bronzer for you. I mean, I know I'm pale right now, but still, I'm not normally a light. But I also feel like they need a one shade lighter to make sure that my fair skin friends can get their bronze on too. I'll let this wear for the day. It's morning right now, so I will leave it on all day as I do my exciting activities of cooking, eating, emails, playing with my dog, just doing what we're all doing. I just got back from a long walk and finally getting on the Audible train, listening to Kitchen Confidential by Anthony Bourdain. I'm so late to everything. I was like the last person to start listening to podcasts, start watching YouTube, and listening to Audible, but I'm absolutely loving it right now. So if you have anything that you've listened to on Audible that you really love, let me know. Anything with really good narration. I've already listened to Jessica Simpson's book, and this is Kitchen Confidential. And it's just fun to have the narrator be the one who actually wrote it and be a celebrity that I know. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I'd be so appreciative. And now let's start the full review. I've worn this for 9 hours now, and the bronzer has stayed in place so well. My mascara ran a little bit, you know, my lip liner is completely off, my lip gloss is completely off, but the bronzer still looks flawless. I can kind of understand the price point now because it stays put. Maybe it's a shea butter that gives you more of that long wear with it, but I am loving this product. I highly suggest giving it a try. And if you're a little nervous, you could always order it on Sephora, because they have such a great return policy. But I really hope you've liked this little unboxing and brutally honest review. Luckily this time I had almost all good things to say. But if you want more holistic skincare content, the skincare products I use, if you want what I eat in a day, I just share so many things in the skincare realm, and I would absolutely love it if you would like and subscribe this video, and I would love to see you next week. But stay safe, stay inside, call the ones you love. There's my husband. And we will see you